concepts. So we started by writing our first program, which is printing hello world, which is printing like hello world onto the screen or printing some message. And then we learned on Python, the various data types in Python, integers, strings, float, and also characters. So we learned about the various data types, and I want to introduce you to what is called naming variables, how to name them. We'll be doing it practically. It means that how you should name a variable. There are some rules which you can follow because you will be working with people, or if you are working on a project with people, you need to obey some rules. For example, there's something called camel case and snake case. I would prefer you stick to one naming convention. I normally like this snake case. I'll tell you why. And then we learned about character, integer, string, float, and boolean. As you continue doing the course, you'll be able to use them, and then we'll learn about tuples, dictionaries, and what's also called sets. I've not included it here. So these are the primitive data types: a string, strings, characters, integers, float, and boolean. Okay, so I just want us to go to our VS Code so that we do it practically. So everyone, I want you to open your command prompt or your git bash. So you open git bash. For those who don't have who are joining us today, there's two of you. This is where we are going to be writing our code. This is what we will be using to push our code to something called GitHub. But for today, I will show you how to navigate around it. So you start by opening it. How do you open it? After you installed it, git bash. So you just come to the Windows search and then you look for git, and then you will see git bash. So you click on that. And then you go to, or an easy way, I think I should show you the easy way. So open your documents. Open your documents. This is the easy way. Moses and Leslie. Leslie, I know you know where it is. Yours was Emmanuel. So open your documents. And then if you don't have a folder here, I want you to create a folder and you call it Mechatronics. We are just putting it for so that we know where our project is. So under documents, you create a folder called Mechatronics. So you come here and get a new folder, call it Mechatronics. And once you have had it, we are having some files here. You will be creating them as we go along. As you go along, we will be creating them. Okay, just open your documents, and under here, create a folder called Mechatronics. Have you created the folder? Felix, have you created a folder? Yes, okay. So open and then dicta.
So yeah.
Yes, I want you to open your documents. You go to documents, and then you create a folder, call it Mechatronics, and this is where we will be operating to every day. Okay. Do you have it? Then you open it by left click, right click, sorry, on your mouse, right click, and then show more, then open with code. It will tell you open with code. So this is a shortcut and an easy way to open. So you will not be having anything for those who are joining today, but no problem. As we continue, you'll be able to add more things. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes. So
Yeah,
I wonder,
yes.
I created mine and I already have everything, but when I go to documents and check it, it tells me that the folder is empty, yet everything, like when you look at the mechatronics file where we run from, it has the files. So I wonder how come when I check it on the documents, under the documents, the mechatronics folder is empty.
You created it and open. Can you open VS Code? For you, just open VS Code.
Yeah, the VS Code is there. I've opened it. Yes, and everything actually that we did yesterday is there.
Okay. So you know you opened VS Code and you have everything that you did yesterday.
Yes.
So you just operate from there. I think you'll have to transfer them. We will find out. You will share your screen later. Then I tell you where you kept yours. It's not a problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And then Emmanuel and Kenneth, you are Mkosawa. You are okay?
Yeah, we're good to go.
Yes,
yeah, we are good to go.
Okay, so create a new file. Everyone create a new file, and then you call it output. Output.py. Create a new file and you call it output.py. So Python files are given the name .py, or they have the extension .py. Okay, so create a file, call it output.py. Okay, then you will type along with me, and as I explained. So today, the first thing that we want to learn about is how to format your whatever you are typing, whatever you are outputting to the screen. How do we format it? How do we show it in a nice way? Or how do we display it? So the first thing I want you to have what is called, it's called the shebang. So you have hash, then exclamation mark, then USR, then /bin, then /env, then Python. So this line here is very useful in Python, or any Python program should have this, because you are showing that this program you are writing is a Python program. If it was for another language like PHP, it will be PHP. If it was another one for Bash, it will be Bash. It's also another language called Perl, like that. But for this case, you want to tell someone that the program, the language, the programming language you are using is Python. So you need to always include this. It's called the shebang. I'll show you. It's called shebang Python. So the shebang, it originates from what is called Linux, or what is called Unix systems. So what it does is it will specify the absolute path of the interpreter. So there is what is running your Python code, which is called the interpreter. there is what is running your Python code, which is called the interpreter. And that interpreter is normally located in a certain location, which is /user/bin/env. Guys, can you see this? /user/bin/env. So in Python, if you want to do Python, you need to include this. If you need to do Perl, if you are writing Perl, if you are writing PHP, if you are writing Bash, that is why it is important. Without this, then we don't know whether which language you are writing. Are we together?
Yeah, it's clear, brother.
Yes, yes. So if you are like if you are on a something called Linux, or if you have a Linux machine, then this is very important. Without it, then your program may not run properly. So that's the significance. Okay, so let us have, we want to first start by creating what is called a string, just as some strings. So a string, as I told you, is a collection of characters. So like, for example, if we say your name, and then do you remember how to get the input from the user? How do you get the input? We use what is called input. So we say input like that. And then you use input, the function input, and then you say enter your name. Okay. So the name is called a variable because it is used to store the data which you are going to use in the program. Name is a variable. And then input is a Python function which lets you get the user input, or which as you run this, the computer will ask you, can you tell me what your name is? And then after that, you enter the name, and then the computer can use your name to do something here, to print or something like that. Are we together? Are we up to there? So you just type name, input, enter your name. And then how do we print it? Someone? You print?
Print.
You print.
Or you save and then you say print.
Print, yes. You print the name. Okay. So save your work, Control S. And then to run the program, you will go to here, there is file, there is edit, selection, view. You go to this part which has ... and then terminal, new terminal, like that. Okay. Then it will bring for you a terminal down here. Okay. Everyone, are we able to open the terminal?
Yeah, personally, yes. I have.
Leslie, do you have the terminal?
Yes, I have.
Yes. So once you are inside this terminal, Emmanuel, you are okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yes. So to check that your Python is working properly, Felix and Dicta, you need to type here Python, then -- version. Python.
I'm unable to get the Macintosh in the document.
To get the
initial stage of going to the document, and then you create a file, Macintosh, or there's something you talk about.
Oh, okay. Can you share your screen so that we help you quickly? Others, you know how to run your Python, your program. So the others, you can go on and write Python, and then we call it output.py. Then you put your name there and then it will print. So let's help him. Okay.
What's going on?
Can you share?
Victor, can you share your screen, please?
Share your screen.
I think Victor's screen.
It has started showing a screen, but
Okay, okay. So
There.
you are there. So create a new folder. You see there up there folder, new folder up in the middle, somewhere in the middle. New folder.
down
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Call it mechatronics. Oh, rename the new folder. One of those rename to.
Oh,
Yes, yes. Mechatronics. Rename it to mechatronics. You had actually created others. You will delete. So rename it mechatronics. Mecha is ME.
okay.
MCCH, yes. Mechatronics.
Mechatronics.
TR.
TR.
T. Go back. T. Make. A.
Victor, we are seeing you. We are seeing you.
Okay,
So
it
like
doesn't
that,
matter how you name
mechatronic.
it. Okay, then press enter, then you open the folder.
A.
Yeah, mecha. MCH. CH.
CH. CH not.
CHA.
Good. Put an A. Perfect.
then enter.
Yes.
Enter.
Then
Perfect.
open inside. Okay. Then right click. Then did you install Visual Studio?
Yes.
Can you open Visual Studio? Open the software, Visual Studio. What? Just close this so that we see whether whether you installed and you've stopped sharing. Do you know?
Yes. Yes, it's installed.
The one with the blue icon. I'll share my screen so that you see it.
Oh,
Yes. Did you install it?
yes.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. I'm now sharing.
Okay.
Came to Bob, I think you proceed there because I think my
Yes.
machine is having some problem
Yes.
because I'm going back to see if it is installed and I'm not getting it.
Okay, okay. So we will help you. I think you will remain so that we help you. Okay, after the
Okay,
class.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Stop sharing.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So we are having we've done the new name here. So if we want to print it with a new styling, we know how to do this, just printing the name. But styling means you put something like this inside the brackets. I want you to change, you print, then into bracket, then you put quotes, you say, my name is, then the first way that you do it is you put these are called curly brackets. This open and close brackets, they are above you know, near P on your keyboard, P, and then the next one you'll be able to find it there. So they are called curly brackets. They're different with these normal brackets. Okay. Can you be able to get them in your keyboard?
I have them just
Yes.
close to P.
Yes, just close to P, you press that, and then you'll get that. So my name is, then you say dot format, and then you say name, just like that. Okay. So instead of because we are going to, in this case, we are going to have many like a sentence, and you need to plug in your name here. Okay. So you say, my name is, then you put this, and then dot format. So can you do that? And then you save. Okay. Are we together? Emmanuel, are we together?
Bob,
Yes.
when I was using the terminal, I couldn't, I think, input the Python dot slash output thingy. I think it kept saying no command not found, etc. Can I share my screen so you guide me, please, quickly?
Yes, yes. Share.
Okay. 1 minute.
Yes. So open. Okay. Down there. Okay. Oh, so Python. Okay, so I know what's happening. Go to your downloads where you downloaded the Python. Go to downloads.
Okay.
Then Python, open the Python 3.1. Click on the installer of Python. Yes, click on it. Install again. Like, click on it to install, open, yes. Then modify. Then next. Then add Python to environment variable.
Okay.
Next, install. Yeah, so that's only thing which was lacking. Close.
Okay.
Okay, then go and try it again. Write Python inside there.
Let me start again. Python.
Close.
Is it space?
Yes, use Control C. Control C. Control C to enter.
Yeah, I think it is now seeing it.
It is
didn't
now
bring
seeing
that
it.
error
So
again.
Yeah.
use Control C. Control C. And
Control
then press
Control
enter.
S.
Control S?
C.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. So delete those Python thing you have there. Delete
The ones up.
Yes.
These ones.
Yes. Back. You use backspace. Backspace. You know the delete key. Or you can open a new terminal. Open a new terminal. You know the three dots?
Okay.
Yes. Terminal. Then new.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then press, now type Python space dash version.
Dash.
Version, VER. Space.
Dash. First dash.
First. Space. There's space between Python space. Then dash version. Yes. Enter. Okay. Python is not found. So can you close this VS Code and then you start it again?
Okay.
Yes. But it's okay. It has installed. That was the problem. Stop sharing so that we continue. Yeah. So just type along and then we will help you get to wherever.
Sure, that's fine.
Yes.
Sure, that's fine.
Okay. So we are doing the formatting. The formatting meaning you want to print many things. So like, for example, you want to print your name. You want to print your age. You want to print weight, so many things. So you start by input, enter your name, and then you print this format, then name. Okay. Then you say Python output. You just say output, and then you press tab. Then it comes like that. Then my name is Bob, and it prints my name is Bob. Okay, guys. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. The same way we got your name, can you enter maybe your city, like where you are from? I am from Nairobi, like that. You can put your name, city, or you can put it as an input, say input. Then where are you from? Where are you from? Like your city. And then instead of printing where are you from in another line, this is where the formatting comes. My name is Bob, and I am from. Then you put another of those. And then you see now, here is whereby we are going to have our name. And then what do we want to put in the second one? City. Can you see that? The first thing which we are going to put in this bracket is your name. You're going to give it the name and then you put it here. Then the second one, I am from, is going to be this. You put it here. But for this to work, you need to put here 0 and then here 1, like that. So 0 is going to take the first item here, which is your name, and then the other one, which is 1, is going to take city. Okay. Are we together?
Yeah.
Yes. So you have your name here, input, enter your name. So it's going to request you to enter your name in the prompt here down when you are running the program. Then city also, where are you from? It's going to request you to enter your city. Then you want to print it as one line. So you print it as name. My name is, then here it will take your name, which you have given it. And then I am from the city, which you will also give it. So do that, save it, and then you run it again. You type Python, then out, then you press tab key, then you do it like that. Then you enter your name, Bob, and then where are you from? Kisumu or Nairobi, and then it will print it as one word. My name is Bob, and I am from Kisumu. Can you be able to see that?
Still working on it.
Yes, yes. So can you have that? We have
Need
7
small
minutes.
screens.
Yes, we have 7 minutes remaining. Then we'll go for a short break. So type this and then you show me your output. I've stopped sharing. I want to see Emmanuel. Please share your screen so that we see.
Okay.
Perfect.
Don't see the share button.
Yeah. Share the green button.
What for you? Yeah.
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 Can you see this?
Yes. Or Moses, can you share? We will, yes. We will share when we resume. Oh, Emmanuel has started sharing, no problem. Okay. So yeah, good. So you input, enter your name, then print what is your name, where are you from, then city. Okay, good. Then when you write it, enter your name, it will give you my name is, and then it will tell you there, where are you from? You enter Arusha. Can you scroll down? Scroll down in the output terminal.
I think that's the end.
Towards the end. I want you, it should print for you, it should print the line as one thing.
Oh,
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
My
Scroll
name
down.
is Kamila from Arusha.
okay.
Yes. Okay, but I have
You
not
see where
seen...
he has highlighted?
Yes, come down, down. Okay, I want you to delete this print. My name is from, you know, the number 7. Can you delete number 7? Line 7. Remove line 7.
Oh.
Remove line 7.
Line 7?
Yes.
Line 7.
Yes.
I should remove it, eh?
Yes, yes, delete it because you are repeating
Okay.
it. Okay, then you see you have done it. Yeah, save your work and run again. Control S and then come and run it there. We want to see. Yes, run it again. Enter and then you put something. Yeah. Okay.
Start again in Python?
Yes, yes. Okay. Enter and then you put the city. Yes.
Start with the internet.
Yes. Then you press enter. Enter.
Yes, I've entered already.
Yes, yes. Okay. So can we see Leslie? We have 3 minutes remaining. Stop sharing, please, so that we see Leslie.
I'm sorry, I haven't done it. I had a call from someone.
Oh, no problem. No
I had to
problem.
pick up. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay. No problem. So let us, who wants to share? We have 3 minutes remaining.
Sure.
Yeah. Moses?
seeing my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. So you enter your name and then you put where are you from, and then that is how to format using the format specifier. So yeah, very good. So guys, is that okay? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's go for a short health break. You can drink water or something, and then we will come back at around 10:52, around 10:52. Okay? Okay?
Thank you.
Good.
Yeah, you keep time so that we don't we use time well. Okay. See you guys then.
Okay. All right. Thank you.